Welcome to Relax Honda, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great pre-owned vehicles from our inventory. And comes equipped with
running board package, premium sound system, remote start system, four-wheel drive, electronic stability control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel controls, privacy glass, MP3 player, and has less than 40,000 miles on the odometer.
Since 1963, Relax Honda has been proudly serving our friends and neighbors in Western New York. With a combined 100 years of automotive experience in management alone, we know how to take care of our customers. With all of our reviews averaging over 4 stars and a Carfax top-rated dealer winner, you don't have to take our word for it, so relax. We got this. Come see us today.